Welcome to the CounterAct YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us for this short video tutorial.
In this video, we're going to look at how to scan the supplier's delivery note into the graphical version of CounterAct. When the stock is received, a small barcode label is produced that can be applied to the supplier's delivery note. This can be scanned in and processed in the same manner as supplier invoices can be. This can be particularly useful when the invoice arrives via EDI and you don't have the opportunity to scan delivery notes when you scan the invoice for archiving. Once the document has been scanned and processed into CounterAct, you can view the supplier order display and click on the Archived Image button to view the documents.
Thank you for watching this short tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on the information displayed on the screen for further assistance.